Hey, I ordered a couple things from Skullis and Wish, and I want to say that this is the Skullis one. I have sort of opened it. Not really. I just took the tape off that was on, this side. Well, I think I did. Yeah, I did. I think this is the Skullis one. Oh. Yeah. That it is it. Okay. It's from Skullis. So this will be my first Skullis unboxing. Well, packaging, as you can see. So that came in first. How am I gonna do this? You know what? I'm just gonna I forgot how to flip my phone into this triangular pod thing. Okay. Oh, then it covers the camera. Frig. You know what? Can you help me? Okay. I think that'll work. So I'm just gonna do it like this, I guess. If you can't see that, I'm sorry. I got this for a friend, but I am going to show you guys because it is going to be awesome. Oh, it's so cute! It came in a stocking. It came with a stocking. You see this, guys? I guess because it's Christmas time, they stuck it in a stocking. That is too cute! Okay. Oh. Toss that aside. So small. So here's the what did I do? Don't know what that was. Oh, guess the self-focus. So it comes with this cloth. I don't know if you can see the Skullis thing. I don't know if it focused on that. Yeah, it did. Okay. Phone likes to do that. So here's the actual packaging. Business card, Riku.com. I originally bought this from Skullis. Is it going to focus? I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna try to open this one-handedly. Now, what I got was, go off camera. What I got was a 1.5 inch snowflake obsidian. It was absolutely beautiful. I hope it's just as beautiful in person. And freaking focusing, come on. So when I wrap this, I am going to put it back in this because I'm going to be an ass because I wanted to go out for him on a limb one time in his life. Make it special. Come on, tape. Sorry, that's so shaky. Okay, hold on. They really hate this sucker. Okay, there we go. Okay, you guys don't know the temptation right now that I have with bubble wrap. I absolutely adore bubble wrap. I love popping the stuff. Okay, more bubble wrap stuff. At least it was protected. I did put insurance on it, $2 extra. Since I got the slightly bigger one, it did cost more, and oh my god, this is so tiny. This is what I paid, what I paid for. Yeah. Hold on. This thing is so tiny. You make it look so big in the picture. But it's so cool. Kind of want to keep it for myself. So cute. Hold on, I'll show you guys in just a second. This is awesome. If you don't want it, I'm keeping it. Isn't this pretty? It's really interesting. I like the one that I got because I think on Skullis they can't guarantee if you'll get one just like the picture. I know one of the sites that I was looking at to find the cheapest price, they did say that they couldn't guarantee which one they gave you. Okay, that's just the black. It looks like little holes. Okay. This is really nice. I like this. So if anything happens that he don't want it, I'm keeping it. He probably will keep it. I'm just saying. Oh, come on, camera, focus. This is just awesome. I paid a lot of money for a tiny little thing. On site, it was $39 something. So if you guys want this one, that's how much it costs before you go into shipping, and if you want insurance on it. I did, just in case, because I never order anything offline, and I was afraid that they would do something to it, and then I had to wait forever again. But this actually came pretty fast in the mail. It took, honestly, it took like a week. Yeah, it took like a week to get here. I was really surprised. I didn't think I would get it till next week. I guess they did that because of being Christmas. And see, came with a cute little stocking. I'm going to stick him in here. I'm going to bubble wrap him so he don't get hurt. Sorry, I got nose issues right now. I'm not sick or anything, just air, I guess. But yeah, it took a week. And this one is from Skullis. Don't be fooled by the Riku card.
Did you get what you're looking for?
Ain't it cute?
That's it.